Bakit tingin niyo NU mananalo sa men's finals?
Sa palagay ko po malakas po yung depensa ng kunan po namin. Kaya malatag po ako na sila yung magkikita-kita sa finals.
Kayo?
Magagaling po kasi yung mga players ng NU.
Sino favorite niyo sa men's
Si
team?
Torres.
Torres.
Kasi magaling niya,
Torres.
ang galing niya pong mag-spike. Tsaka
So bakit sa tingin niyo Ateneo yung mananalo sa men's finals?
Siyempre, mas magaling sila kasi siyempre dahil sa lupa nila sa Mark Espejo. Tapos yung heart strong talaga.
Ikaw?
Kasi atinista ako. Kaya support.
Sino favorite player niyo?
Mark Espejo.
Pero, ikaw, bakit? Bakit niyo siya gusto?
Ang galing niya eh. Rookie pa lang tapos sobrang
Super rookie kasi idaran lang namin ng gano'n na siya kagaling.
We are here at Araneta Coliseum for Game 1 of the UAAP Men's Volleyball Finals between Ateneo Blue Eagles and NU Bulldogs.
It was an epic battle early in the match as Ateneo and NU traded leads in the first set. NU took a 21-16 lead but had to hang tough to get the first set. The Blue Eagles reached set point twice at 25-24, 26-25 before NU took a 4-1 run to wrap it up 29-27. In the second set, NU managed to establish a 40-10 lead, which Espejo pinned down to 13-14 for Ateneo. But the Blue Eagles couldn't find an opening to take over, and Torres bagged the set for NU with a kill for a 25-22 win. It was no different early in the third set with Ateneo and NU exchanging advantages. Flores gave Ateneo the lead 14-13 with a block, but NU quickly retaliated to even the match. The game was last tied at 17. Paglinawan gave the Bulldogs the edge back, which they would not relinquish. Ateneo pulled within 22-24, but Tolentino, who led with 12, clinched the win with the hit. The Bulldogs exacted revenge on the Blue Eagles, who defeated them in the second round of eliminations. They are a win away from repeating as UAAP volleyball champions.
NU defeated Ateneo in 3 straight sets to get Game 1 of the UAAP Men's Volleyball Finals. This is Celeste Flores for Inquirer.net.